In the serene heart of ancient monasteries, far from the clamour of the material world, resides a timeless wisdom. This is the wisdom of the monks, who have long understood the profound connection between a clear space and a clear mind. Their minimalist lifestyle, honed over centuries, is not about deprivation, but about liberation. Imagine a life unburdened by clutter, where each possession serves a purpose, and each moment is imbued with intention. This isn't just about tidying up your home, it's about tidying up your life. In a world that constantly bombards us with messages of more, the monks' minimalist rules offer a refreshing alternative. The principles of minimalism, though simple, are incredibly powerful. They have the ability to transform not just our homes, but our entire outlook on life. By embracing these principles, we begin to understand that true wealth lies not in what we own, but in the quality of our relationships, the experiences we have, and the contributions we make to the world. Minimalism invites us to step off the treadmill of consumerism and reconnect with our core values. This process of self-discovery can be incredibly liberating, freeing us from the weight of our possessions and allowing us to live with greater intention and purpose. The journey towards minimalism is a deeply personal one, and there is no right or wrong way to approach it. The monk's humble abode. During my travels through the bamboo forests of Japan, I had the privilege of meeting a wise old monk named Master Kenji. He lived in a small, secluded temple high in the mountains, his days filled with meditation, calligraphy, and tending to his minimalist garden. The tea room, where we shared countless cups of green tea, was sparsely furnished with just a low table, a few cushions, and a simple scroll depicting a serene mountain landscape. Despite the lack of material possessions, Master Kenji's home was filled with a sense of peace and tranquility that I had never experienced before. It was as if the absence of clutter had created a space for something far more profound to take root, a sense of deep joy and inner peace that radiated from Master Kenji himself. A revelation about gratitude. Master Kenji taught me that true happiness is not found in acquiring more, but in appreciating what we already have. He believed that every object we own carries a certain energy, and that by surrounding ourselves with too many possessions, we weigh ourselves down with their collective weight. He often spoke about the importance of wabi-sabi, a Japanese philosophy that finds beauty in imperfection and impermanence. He explained that by embracing the transient nature of life and finding beauty in the simple things, we can cultivate a deep sense of gratitude and inner peace. One evening, as we sat sipping tea and listening to the gentle rustling of bamboo leaves outside, Master Kenji shared a story about a young monk who was struggling with feelings of envy and dissatisfaction. As the young monk polished the Buddha statue each day, he began to notice the intricate details of its design, the way the light danced across its surface. Through this simple act of polishing, the young monk began to understand the importance of letting go of his attachments to material possessions and external validation. By creating space in our physical surroundings, we create space in our minds and hearts for new possibilities to emerge. That is the transformative power of letting go. Following is what more I learned during my time with the monk. Just as physical clutter can overwhelm our homes, mental clutter can overwhelm our minds. When our minds are cluttered, we find it difficult to think clearly, make decisions, and focus on what truly matters. This mental clutter can manifest in various ways, such as procrastination, forgetfulness, difficulty sleeping, and increased anxiety. We are constantly bombarded with notifications, emails, and social media updates, leaving us feeling drained and mentally exhausted. This mental clutter robs us of our time, energy, and focus, preventing us from living our lives to the fullest. Many of us believe that acquiring more possessions will lead to happiness. We work long hours to afford the latest gadgets, the newest fashion trends, and bigger homes. However, this pursuit of material wealth is often a futile chase. Studies have shown that once our basic needs are met, acquiring more possessions does little to increase our overall happiness. The more we acquire, the more we seem to want, leading to a never-ending cycle of desire and dissatisfaction. When we focus on accumulating material possessions, we neglect essential aspects of a fulfilling life. The good news is that it is possible to break free from this cycle of consumerism and clutter. By adopting the principles of minimalism, we can declutter our homes, our minds, and our lives, creating space for what truly matters. It's about making conscious choices about what we allow into our lives and letting go of the things that no longer serve us. Join us as we discover the transformative power of minimalism and unlock a life of greater peace, clarity, and joy. Wabi-sabi, less is more, the foundation of minimalism. At its core, minimalism is the intentional practice of living with less. It's about shifting our focus from material possessions to experiences, relationships, and personal growth. The less is more philosophy encourages us to let go of the unnecessary and embrace simplicity. By simplifying our surroundings, we create space for clarity, peace, and joy. By embracing the less is more philosophy, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities, freeing our time, energy, and resources to pursue our passions and live a more fulfilling life. The art of decluttering, mindful choices. Decluttering is an essential aspect of minimalist living. It's the process of letting go of items that no longer serve us, creating a more organized and peaceful living environment. When decluttering, ask yourself, does this item bring me joy? Do I use it regularly? Does it hold sentimental value that enhances my life? If the answer to these questions is no, it might be time to let it go. Start by decluttering one area at a time. Choose a drawer, a shelf, or a corner of a room and begin sorting through items. As you declutter, you'll likely find that you have more space than you realized, both physically and mentally. Essentialism, prioritizing what truly matters. Essentialism is a key principle of minimalism that encourages us to focus on what truly matters in life. It's about identifying our core values and aligning our actions and possessions with those values. By prioritizing the essential, we eliminate distractions and create a life of greater purpose and meaning. This might mean saying no to commitments that drain your energy or decluttering possessions that don't reflect your priorities. By focusing on the essential, you create space for the things that bring you joy, purpose, and fulfillment. Emergency preparedness, balancing minimalism and practicality. Some of our subscribers have asked what to do for minimalism in case of emergencies. While minimalism encourages us to live with less, it's essential to strike a balance between minimizing possessions and being prepared for emergencies. Having a well-stocked emergency kit can provide peace of mind and ensure your safety in unexpected situations. When building your emergency kit, consider essential items such as water. Store at least 1 gallon of water per person per day for 3 days. Food. Stock up on non-perishable food items like canned goods, energy bars, and dried fruit. First aid supplies include bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any necessary medications. In the remainder of this video, we will delve deeper into the monk's minimalist rules, exploring practical tips and techniques for decluttering your living space and simplifying your life. We'll examine the negative impacts of clutter on our mental well-being and discover how a minimalist lifestyle can lead to greater peace, productivity, and happiness. This is not just about throwing things away. It's about making conscious choices about what we allow into our lives. As we embark on this transformative journey together, let's remember that minimalism is not about deprivation, but about intentionality. Get ready to experience the transformative power of the monk's minimalist rules and unlock a life of greater peace, purpose, and joy. In today's consumer-driven society, we are constantly bombarded with messages that tell us we need more to be happy. More clothes, more gadgets, more stuff. We accumulate possessions at an alarming rate, often without even realizing it, but this relentless pursuit of more comes at a cost. Our homes become cluttered and chaotic, filled with items we seldom use and often forget we even own. Instead of bringing us joy, our belongings begin to weigh us down. Finding freedom in simplicity. My time with Master Kenji was a profound experience into the transformative power of minimalism. I learned that living with less is not about deprivation, but about liberation. It's about freeing ourselves from the weight of our possessions so that we can live more intentionally and authentically. As I left the tranquil embrace of Master Kenji's mountain temple, I carried with me a newfound appreciation for the beauty of simplicity and the transformative power of letting go. Rediscovering peace and clarity. Imagine waking up in a clean, organized space bathed in natural light. This isn't just a scene from a magazine, it can be your reality with the power of minimalism. By minimizing possessions, you automatically reduce visual and mental clutter, creating a sense of peace and tranquility. This newfound clarity extends beyond your living space. With fewer distractions vying for your attention, you'll experience improved focus and concentration, enhancing your productivity and creativity. The constant need to clean, organize, and search for misplaced items diminishes, freeing up valuable time and energy for pursuits that truly matter. Remember those hobbies you put on hold and the quality time you craved with loved ones. Minimalism paves the way for those experiences to flourish. The mental clarity derived from a minimalist lifestyle allows for deeper self-reflection and a greater sense of purpose. You begin to identify your core values and align your actions accordingly, leading to a more fulfilling and intentional life. The allure of the latest gadgets often leads to impulsive purchases and debt. Minimalism encourages you to question your spending habits and prioritize needs over wants. By consuming less, you save more, paving the path towards financial freedom. This financial flexibility opens doors to new opportunities, pursuing passions, traveling, or enjoying peace of mind. Minimalism also cultivates generosity. Decluttering reveals items in excellent condition that no longer serve you. Donating these items makes a difference in others' lives while decluttering your space. Giving benefits the recipient and brings fulfillment to the giver, creating positivity. Embracing experiences and relationships. Minimalism encourages a shift in priorities from material possessions to experiences and relationships. With less focus on acquiring things, you're free to invest your time and energy in creating lasting memories with loved ones. Weekend getaways, trying new activities, or simply enjoying quality time together become more accessible and fulfilling. Minimalism fosters a deeper appreciation for the present moment. By releasing the need for more, you become more mindful of the beauty and abundance already present in your life. This heightened awareness extends to your relationships, allowing you to be more present and engaged with the people who matter most. The minimalist lifestyle also encourages personal growth and self-discovery. As you shed the layers of consumerism and societal expectations, you connect with your authentic self. You discover hidden passions, explore new interests, and gain a deeper understanding of your values and purpose in life. This journey of self-discovery is ongoing and enriching, leading to a more fulfilling and meaningful existence. The enduring wisdom of simplicity. As we've explored throughout this journey into a monk's minimalist rules, the pursuit of a simpler life is far more profound than merely tidying up our physical spaces. It's about cultivating a mindset, a way of life that prioritizes intentionality, gratitude, and inner peace over the relentless pursuit of more. The principles of minimalism, often rooted in ancient wisdom and spiritual practices, offer us a roadmap to navigate the complexities of modern life with greater clarity and purpose. By consciously choosing to live with less, we create space for what truly matters: our well-being, our passions, our relationships, and our contributions to the world around us. The benefits of embracing a minimalist lifestyle are abundant and far-reaching. Reduced stress and anxiety, increased focus and productivity, financial freedom, deeper relationships, and a heightened sense of purpose are just a few of the transformative outcomes. Embrace the journey. The journey towards minimalism is deeply personal. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. Discover what brings you joy and align your actions with your values. Start small and be kind to yourself. Decluttering is a liberating act of self-care. Each item you release creates space for something new. The less you own, the less owns you. Embrace the freedom and fulfillment of living with intention. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and unlock a life of peace and joy. "16 Insights, the Monk's Rules." As we complete our journey today, through the monk's lifestyle, minimalism habits, and decluttering insights, here's a summary of 16 Zen minimalist rules that can help guide you towards a simpler and more intentional lifestyle. 1. Regularly go through your possessions and remove items you no longer need or use. Keep only what adds value to your life. 2. Be mindful of your purchases. Opt for high-quality items that will last longer and serve multiple purposes. 3. For every new item you bring into your home, get rid of one old item. This helps prevent the accumulation of unnecessary things. 4. Organize your digital space by deleting unused apps, files, and emails. Set boundaries for screen time to focus on real-life interactions. 5. Prioritize spending money and time on experiences and activities that create lasting memories rather than material possessions. 6. Keep a small collection of versatile and timeless clothing pieces that you can mix and match easily. 7. Cut down on unnecessary commitments and focus on what truly matters. Make time for rest and activities that bring you joy. 8. Be present in the moment and appreciate the simplicity. Mindfulness helps reduce stress and increases overall well-being. 9. Identify your core values and focus your energy on activities and relationships that align with them. Let go of anything that doesn't contribute to your goals. 10. Establish daily routines that streamline your tasks and make your life more efficient. Simple habits can lead to significant improvements over time. 11. Handle tasks when they come up instead of procrastinating. Just like you wouldn't leave poop lying around, don't let tasks pile up. 12. Whenever possible, deal with items or tasks the first time you touch them. For example, open a bill and pay it immediately instead of setting it aside. 13. Recognize that most of your possessions and tasks, the iceberg's visible tip, are supported by unseen structures, habits, and routines beneath the surface. Focus on maintaining those supportive structures to keep everything running smoothly. 14. Before acquiring a new item or taking on a new commitment, ensure you let go of something equivalent. This keeps your life balanced and prevents excess. 15. Apply Benjamin Franklin's method of balancing the pros and cons of a decision to minimize impulsive choices and focus on long-term benefits. 16. Regularly evaluate your possessions and get rid of anything you haven't used in the past year. This keeps your space clutter-free and ensures you're surrounded by useful items. Start your minimalist journey today. The path to a more fulfilling life, free from the weight of excess, begins with a single conscious choice. Take a moment to reflect on what truly matters to you. What brings you joy? What are your values? How can you align your life with those priorities? Start small. Choose one area of your life to simplify: your wardrobe, your digital space, or a corner of your home. As you experience the benefits of decluttering and simplifying, you'll naturally feel inspired to continue your minimalist journey. Remember, minimalism is not about deprivation. It's about intentionality. It's about making conscious choices that align with your values and create a life that brings you genuine happiness and fulfillment. Join us next time as we delve deeper into practical tips and strategies for decluttering your home and upgrading your lifestyle.